Hey, what's up everyone? So in today's exercise, I'm going to show you how to do a massage ball for tennis elbow, okay? So most tennis elbow comes from overuse of either the forearm or the tricep, okay? And then it creates a lot of tension in the elbow, okay? Because muscles is attached to tendons, and when they get overuse, you'll start feeling that pain. It's a little annoying, okay? So what I have here is first a massage ball. Now, the one I have is a cryo ball. This is a very cold ball, and the coldness actually helps with the inflammation within the muscles and the tendons, okay? Now, you can use a regular massage ball or a baseball, anything that's pretty much hard, okay? But first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go right here, place the ball right here onto the forearm, and then you're gonna go ahead and roll back and forth, okay? Just like that. And if you feel pain, what you can do is you have to bring the forearm a little out, and then you can go up and down, just like that, okay? If you feel a little hot spot, just do that, then shimmy, and then go ahead and roll all the way back and forth, okay? And then you wanna go ahead and place the ball on top and do the same, all right? Now you wanna roll it right here because I wanna be honest with you, I know with myself, when I get tennis elbow, it's usually right here, okay? But you wanna hit all the areas to make sure you relieve all the tension that could be possible, okay? And again, if there's a hot spot, if you feel a lot of pain, like right there near the elbow, go ahead, flex the wrist, and then go out. You can even flex the hand if you want, just like this. Do that for a couple times, and then go ahead, shimmy, just like that, and then roll it all the way back and forth, okay? Just like that. Now, another thing you can use is this type of foam roller, okay? So this particular one is called a trigger point, but you can use any type of foam roller, okay? The best thing about this one is that it has these grooves, and the grooves is supposed to imitate like someone massaging with their hands, because if you see the spikes right here, look, when I place my hand on it, it kind of, see, look, it has like the 4 fingers, and it kind of looks like how it's patterned, all right? So it's supposed to emulate that, all right? Now, when it comes down to using this foam roller, this is when you want to go ahead and use it on the triceps, right? And you want to go ahead and go back and forth, just like that. And you want to turn that arm, like rotate it, okay? Inward and outwards, just like that when you're rolling, all right? And again, if you feel like a hot spot, you can go ahead and flex and fully extend, all right? Just like that. Flex, fully extend the arms, flex, fully extend the arms, and then shimmy, just like that. And then go ahead and go all the way back and forth, all right? From the shoulder to the elbow. And like I said, rotate the arm, not very fast, but slowly on each roll. Just like that, okay? And once you finish doing that, you should feel a lot of relief from the elbow, okay? And if you still have pain, and to protect it while it's healing, go ahead and use a tennis elbow wrap, okay? And you can place that on your arm, strap it, and use that throughout the day while you're working, typing, you know, because you have to remember, a lot of people work at home. I even work at home, and I type. And if I'm typing, see, you can see my forearms actually moving, you know? It's all connected, all right? So that's why I even said extend the hand and the fingers, because your fingers is all connected to that elbow, okay? But with that said, this is how you use a massage ball for tennis elbows.